Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cucu Tika from the IKIP Siliwangi, Bandung, from the mathematics education. This morning I want to explain some important thing about the importance of the role of parents in educating during the pandemics. The role of parents educating children during a pandemic. Parents are the main teacher partner. One of the role of parents toward their children is to education their children science before the outbreak of the coronavirus. Parents have an obligation to support their children's education in school. The implementation of online learning as an effort to prevent the spread and transmission of this virus has made the role of parents even greater in the education of their children is this very limited time. The function of parents and teachers is equally supporting children, equally important in education. In fact, the role of the family in supporting children's achievement is very large because during learning from home, children interact more with their families. The importance of the role of parents. There are four roles of parents during the online learning period during the pandemic. 1. As a teacher at home, parents guide children, supervise while children learn online. 2. As a facilitator, parents provide the facilities and infrastructure that children need during the learning process during the pandemic at home. 3. As a motivator, parents must be able to motivate children to be enthusiastic about participation in the online learning process. 4. As director, parents play a role in directing children to want to take part in the online learning process. Challenge when assisting children to study at home. Based on research from Livy researchers, there are several things that become challenging for parents when accompanying their children to study. From the Tanoto Foundation survey, it is stated that around 60% of parents are inefficient in assisting and handling their children's ability to concentrate while studying. In addition, the KVAA also mentioned that there was an increase in children experiencing violence both psychologically and physical during the pandemic. Apart from these problems, several other obstacles include: 1. Not all parents have time to accompany their children to study during a pandemic because of other responsibilities such as work or housework. 2. Parents find it difficult to understand listen and motivate children with learning. Adaptation of parents in accompanying their children to learn from home is very important. Parental supervision in the online learning process will determine optimal learning outcome. Tip for education children during a pandemic. One step. Create a mutually agreed schedule and rules. Help the child to make a schedule of activities. This will help the child to responsible for the planned activities to be carried out. Write down the schedule and paste it in an easily visible place. 2 step. Help the child by giving some ideas for doing activities if the child feels confused about having to write the activities that will be carried out on the day. For example, give ideas for daily routines such as bathing and eating. Example of learning activities: doing a segment from the teacher. Other activities such as playing game, reading books, and other activities. 3 steps. Good communication. Build good communication with children. Educate children by teaching good behavior. Step 4. Learning to control themselves. Educate children so they can learn to control themselves. 1. To listen, especially when studying. Step 5. Share text with your partner. 6. Arrange a time starting with accompanying children to study, do household chores, or other activities. 7. Remind children of the time they have made to do an activity. 8. As a parent, keep introspecting yourself so you don't know everything. 6. Relation and reflection. Help the child to reflect on the activities that have been done that day. Do it with relaxation activities such as chatting in the living room. Conclusion: in education children during this pandemic, parents need adequate skill, knowledge, and attitude. Parents must also have a strong mentality in education their children during this pandemic. Success in education children at home really require the role of all parties. Thank you for attention. Before ending this presentation, that it can be concluded that the importance of the role of parents in the continuity of learning during this pandemic. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.